Hello and welcome to my podcast. My name is Peter. Today, we will talk about dreams. Why do we dream? What do dreams mean? Did you have a dream you will never forget? Maybe a funny, strange, or scary dream. In this episode, I will share some interesting facts about dreams. Let's get started. Why do we dream? People dream for many reasons. Scientists are not sure why we dream, but they have some ideas. When we sleep, our brain organizes what we learned during the day. Dreams can help us remember things. Sometimes we feel sad, happy, or worried. Dreams can help us understand our emotions. When we have a problem, our brain keeps thinking about it, even when we sleep. Sometimes, dreams give us new ideas. Some scientists think dreams are just random thoughts and pictures. They don't always have a meaning. Dreams can be fun, strange, or even confusing. But they are a normal part of sleep. Interesting facts about dreams. Dreams are very interesting. Here are some fun facts about them. Every person has dreams when they sleep, even if they don't remember them. People forget dreams a few minutes after they wake up. People who cannot see still have dreams. Their dreams have sounds, feelings, and smells. Some people see colors in their dreams. Some people see only black and white. People can have 4 or 5 dreams every night, but they usually remember only 1 or 2. Dreams are like little movies in our minds. They can be fun, strange, or sometimes scary. Common dreams and what they mean. People around the world have similar dreams. Here are some common dreams. Many people dream about falling. This dream can happen when you feel worried or scared about something in your life. Some people dream that someone is chasing them. This dream can mean you are trying to run away from a problem. Flying dreams can feel fun and exciting. They can mean you feel free or happy. This is a strange dream. Some people dream about their teeth falling out. It can mean you feel nervous about how you look or about a big change in your life. Some people dream about being late for school, work, or an event. This can happen when you feel stressed or worried in real life. Dreams do not always have a meaning. Sometimes they're just pictures and feelings from your day. But they can still be interesting to think about. Dreams and creativity. Dreams can help people be creative. Sometimes, dreams give new ideas for music, art, or even science. Some songs come from dreams. For example, Paul McCartney from the Beatles dreamed a song called Yesterday. Some people have ideas for new things while they sleep. A man named Elias Howe dreamed about the design for the sewing machine. Writers and artists also get ideas from dreams. For example, the story Frankenstein by Mary Shelley came from a dream. Dreams can be more than just pictures in your mind. They can help you think of new ideas and be creative. Dream interpretation. What is dream interpretation? Dream interpretation means trying to understand what dreams mean. Some people think dreams have hidden messages. They believe dreams can tell us something about our feelings, problems, or future. Who studies dreams? 1. Psychologists. Some people, like Sigmund Freud, studied dreams. 1. He thought dreams show our secret thoughts and feelings. 2. Dream experts. Some people say they can help others understand their dreams. 2. They are not always scientists. 3. Many people. A lot of people are curious about dreams and try to find meaning in them. What does science say? Scientists say dreams are just pictures and thoughts from our brain. When we sleep, the brain thinks about things from the day. Scientists say dreams do not tell the future. They are not secret messages. Why do people believe in dream interpretation? 1. Dreams feel real. 2. Sometimes dreams seem to match real life. 3. People like to find meaning in strange things. Interesting stories about dreams. 1. Some people say they had a dream, and then something similar happened in real life. 2. Some people say dreams helped them solve a problem or gave them a new idea. Dreams are interesting. Maybe they have a meaning, or maybe they don't. But they are fun to think about. Questions for you now. I have some questions for you. 1. Do you remember your last dream? 1. What was it about? 2. Did you have a funny, strange, or scary dream? 3. What do you think your dreams mean? I would love to hear your thoughts. You can send me a message and tell me about your dreams. Dreams are fun to talk about, and everyone has interesting dreams to share. Closing today, we talked about dreams. We learned what dreams are, why we dream, and some interesting facts about dreams. We also talked about dream interpretation and why people find dreams so interesting. Do you like talking about dreams? Do you have a dream you remember? You can send me a message and tell me about it. Thank you for listening to this episode. I hope you enjoyed it. See you next time.